everything you need to know about training software, benefits, features, best practices, and more. In today's fast-paced business environment, organizations need to guarantee that their employees have the aptitudes, capabilities, and means to stay competitive and productive. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through training and development programs. However, traditional classroom-based training can be time-consuming, costly, and difficult to scale. That's where training software comes in. Training software is a powerful tool that allows organizations to deliver high-quality training programs to employees anytime, anywhere. With the rise of remote work and the need for scalability and flexibility, training software has become an increasingly popular choice for organizations looking to improve their training programs. In this blog, we will explore what training software is, its benefits, how to use it effectively, the essential features it must have, the training it can be used for, and why it will become even more popular in the future. Whether you're a small business owner or the head of a large corporation, this blog will provide you with the information you need to make informed decisions about implementing training software in your organization. What is training software? Training software is a type of software that is designed to support the creation, delivery, and management of training programs. It can be used for a variety of training purposes, including employee onboarding, professional development, compliance training, and customer training. Training software can include a range of features such as learning management systems, LMS, online training platforms, content creation tools, and performance assistance systems. Benefits of training software. Training software offers a range of benefits to organizations, including flexibility. Training software can support the delivery of training programs to a wide variety of learners across various locations and time zones, making it an effective solution for training needs. Cost effectiveness. By providing online training programs, organizations can save on the costs associated with traditional classroom-based training, such as travel, accommodations, and facilities rental. Adaptability. Training software enables learners to utilize training programs at their own rate and whenever they want, providing greater adaptability and convenience. Personalization. Training software can be used to create personalized learning paths for individual learners based on their unique needs, interests, and learning styles. Performance improvement. Training software can help to improve employee performance by providing targeted training programs that address specific skills and knowledge gaps. How to use training software. To use training software effectively, organizations should follow a few key steps. Identify training needs. Identify the training needs of your organization by conducting a training needs analysis. This will help you to determine the skills and knowledge gaps that need to be addressed. Choose the right software. Choose the right training software for your organization by evaluating the features, capabilities, and pricing of different options. Develop training programs. Develop training programs using the software, using a range of multimedia content, interactive activities, and assessments to draw in learners and to strengthen key concepts. Provide training programs. Deliver training programs through the software, using various delivery methods such as webinars, self-paced modules, and blended learning approaches. Track and assess performance. Track and assess learner performance using the software's reporting and analytics features, identifying areas for improvement and adapting training programs as needed. Must-have features of training software. To get the most out of training software, it should include a range of features including Learning Management System, LMS. An LMS is a platform that can be used to manage and deliver training programs, track learner progress, and generate reports. Virtual Training Platform. A virtual training platform enables learners to participate in live training sessions, collaborate with other learners, and access on-demand training modules. Content authoring tools. Content authoring tools enable trainers to create engaging and interactive training materials, such as videos and simulations. Performance support system. A performance support system provides learners with on-demand access to information, resources, and tools to support their performance on the job. Gamification. Gamification features such as badges, leaderboards, and rewards can motivate learners to engage with training programs and improve their performance. Best practices for training software. To ensure that training software is effective, organizations should follow best practices including align training programs with business goals. Ensure that the training programs align with the business goals of the organization, focusing on areas that are critical to success. Employ multiple delivery strategies. Employ multiple delivery strategies, such as virtual training sessions, on-demand modules, and blended learning approaches to keep learners engaged and motivated. Use interactive and multimedia content. Use interactive and multimedia content such as videos, animations, and simulations to engage learners and reinforce key concepts. Provide regular feedback. Provide regular feedback to learners on their progress and performance, helping them to identify areas for improvement and adjust their learning strategies as needed. What to look for in a training software company. Choosing the right training software company can be a daunting task, as there are many providers in the market, each offering a different set of features and benefits. To help you make an informed decision, here are some of the key factors you should consider when evaluating training software companies. 1. Experience and expertise. Look for a company with a proven track record of delivering high-quality training solutions. A company with experience and expertise in your industry or training needs is more likely to understand your unique requirements and deliver a solution that meets them. 2. Range of features and functionality. Make sure the software company offers a range of features and functionality that meets your training needs. Look for a solution that is flexible and customizable so you can tailor it to your organization's specific requirements. 3. Ease of use. A training software solution should be easy to use and intuitive for both administrators and learners. Make sure the company offers training and support to ensure that users can quickly learn how to use the system effectively. 4. Scalability. Make sure that the training software company can scale its solution to meet the needs of your growing organization. Look for a solution that can handle a large number of users, courses, and data, and that can be easily integrated with other systems such as your learning management system. 5. Mobile compatibility. With the rise of mobile learning, it is essential that the training software solution is mobile compatible. Look for a solution that supports a range of devices and platforms such as smartphones, tablets, and laptops, and that offers a seamless learning experience across all devices. 6. Reporting and analytics. Look for a training software solution that provides robust reporting and analytic capabilities, so you can track learner progress, measure the effectiveness of your training programs, and identify areas for improvement. 7. Customer support. Ensure that the training software company provides excellent customer support, including training, technical support, and ongoing maintenance. Look for a company that can give multiple channels of support such as phone, email, and chat, and that provides a fast and responsive service. 8. Pricing. Finally, consider the pricing model of the training software company. Look for a company that offers a flexible pricing model that fits your budget, whether that's per user, per course, or a flat fee. Make sure you understand the pricing structure and any additional costs such as implementation, customization, or maintenance fees. In conclusion, selecting the right training software company is essential for delivering effective training programs that meet the needs of your learners and your organization. By considering the factors above, you can make an informed decision that ensures your investment in training software delivers maximum value and ROI. Why training software is popular. Training software is becoming more popular due to a range of factors, including the rise of remote work. The COVID-19 pandemic has accelerated the shift to remote work, making it necessary for organizations to provide online training programs that can be accessed from anywhere. The need for scalability. As organizations grow and expand, they need training solutions that can scale to meet the needs of a large number of learners across different locations and time zones. The demand for flexibility. Learners want training solutions that offer greater flexibility and convenience, enabling them to access training programs at their own pace and on their own schedule. The advancements in technology. Advances in technology such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and virtual reality are enabling training software to become more sophisticated and personalized. What training can be used for training software? Training software can be used for a wide range of training purposes, including employee onboarding. providing new employees with the knowledge, skills, and resources they need to succeed in their roles. Professional development, providing ongoing training and development opportunities to employees, helping them to build their skills and advance their careers. Compliance training, delivering compliance training programs, ensuring that employees understand and follow relevant regulations and policies. Customer training, providing customers with training and support on how to use products and services, improving their satisfaction and loyalty. Virtual labs, virtual labs create a secure and managed environment for employees to learn and cultivate their abilities without risking injury or damaging any hardware. It replicates real-life situations and supplies a selection of tools and resources that enable workers to train, try out, and gain new abilities in a digital atmosphere. Interested in learning more? Call ReadyTech. ReadyTech offers a range of training software solutions including learning management systems, virtual training platforms, content authoring tools, and performance support systems. If you are looking to enhance your training programs and improve learner engagement, contact ReadyTech today to learn more about our solutions and how we can help your organization achieve its training goals.